Kappabashi Tokyo Street, there's more than 170 of specialty stores.
We walk Kappabashi Tokyo Street.
Oh, look. This is for kids. You can see that these are the bullet train, the Shinkansen. And they put all those things, and this is like a children's meal, kids' meal. Look, these are cute. Erasers. You know, in Japan, a lot of elementary school kids love these, you know, food erasers or sushi eraser. This is fun. Huh? Look at this. You can do tea ceremony at your place. So if you put like a bowl, if there's like a bowl and you put matcha and then you stir this. This is like a Japanese whisk. And you like stir it. And then after that, you go like this and drink it. Wow, look. Open. Wow, so you can use it like this. Wow, that's amazing.
This is a cookware specialty store, Idaya.
There's so many tools. Look, these are shamoji. We use it to pour rice. Yeah, but who's gonna use this, right? It's so big. Otama in Japan is ladle. Wow, so many. Amazing. I mean, in this Idaya-san, there's so much variety of stuff. I mean, it's like a theme park of cooking utensils. This is for tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki is this. So this is a rolled egg. It is very popular in Japan. We make this and eat this, and it's square. See? That's the specialty. And I hear a lot of tourists buy these squared pan and then make it. Yakigote. Yakigote is you can make a burn mark, not on the hands, I mean on the food, You kind of put it like on the tamagoyaki, on the egg roll, like this, and you can make your mark. And this, oh my gosh, it's a footprint. This is cute. Another recommendation is this. You can make rice balls in this, wow, in this, I mean, wooden case. You put rice inside, then just put the lid on and then finish. Hi. So you can cut carrots like these, like stars or bamboo. Wow, this is cute. See, momiji or kaede. You can have these two cherry blossoms. So you can like cut this with carrots or something, and then it will be really nice. This is all colander, and colander for noodles. Amazing. Like these are deep colanders. This is big. The hole is big. What is this? These are for udon noodles. They're thick, so they use these type. I see. Spaghetti. Like this, right? Okay. This is a tofu maker. You can make tofu. You just have to buy soy milk and you can make your own tofu. Wow. For the people, for lefties. Wow. These are all for lefties. For left-handers, it'll be easy to pour things with this ladle. I've never seen left-hand ladle. Wow. Don't miss the next episode.